Hello and welcome to the Bike Sanctuary. My name's Ben and today I'm going to be showing you around this Kawasaki Z125, and as the name denotes, it's a 125cc. It's a single cylinder and these make about 14 brake horsepower, which gives it a very good power to weight ratio for the class. Obviously this is a learner legal bike. This is a 21 plate. It's a great first bike this, relatively low seat height, quite big physically, so it doesn't look like a mini bike. These are really nice, obviously modelled after the bigger brother, the Z650, Z800 and so on. Really cool looking bike. So let's start at the front. As I said, it's a 21 plate, done 4,000 miles. At the front end it's just got a single disc, and it only needs a single disc. It's such a lightweight bike, it doesn't need the added weight of a second disc. You can see that it's also got the ABS as well. A single 2-pot caliper, loads of stopping power. As I pan up, you can see there's some fork protectors on the fork stanchions, which help to just keep the mud and dirt and everything like that off the fork stanchions. Helps to preserve the life of the actual fork seals themselves. You can see that the bike's fitted with a dark smoke screen, which helps just keep the air, kick it up over the top of the rider, but more than that, it just looks really cool. The actual paintwork on this bike is a cross between a matte finish white and a gloss metallic black, which looks really cool. And then you've got this really cool lime green detail across this lattice frame. The bike's pretty much standard, as you can see, standard exhaust. There's some paddock stand bobbins on there to help you with chain maintenance and stuff. And cosmetically, the bike's in very good condition. We know the previous owner. We actually sold this the first time around, and we've just had it back as a part exchange as he passed his bigger bike license. Around the front, again, apart from the screen, you can see it's in pretty much standard condition. Got a big old headlight on there, big old indicators which are mounted quite high, which is good for visibility, particularly on UK roads. There you can see the exposed wheel on this side. As I said, just a single disc, and everything on this side is in very good condition. Things like chains, sprockets, brakes, tyres, everything like that are all checked before it goes out. But in this particular instance, the bike's in very good condition, so I don't expect to have to replace anything. It comes with the service history, the original owner's pack, 2 keys, and all the original documentation. So you can see that metallic paint, look at that, it looks really cool actually. It does have an original Kawasaki tank pad as well. Fully digital dash on these, as you can see, which is quite cool. Got a fuel gauge, quite a novelty on bikes nowadays. A rev counter that goes over the top. You've got your speedo there, your clock, then obviously the mileage, 4,556 miles from new. Let's give her a start up for you. Nice sounding bike, a little bit quiet for me. I think if I was riding this every day, maybe I'd change the exhaust. If that's something that you're interested in, please let us know. We can offer some discounts, and we do offer free fitting on any accessories purchased with our bikes. Our bikes all come with a 3-month warranty. They come with free UK delivery as well, and we can offer things like finance and part exchange if you're interested. Please feel free to reach out. We're on WhatsApp, we've got live chat, we've got all the social medias. Of course, you can pop into the showroom for a look, or you can give us a call for a chat. That's it for me. Thank you very much for watching, and I look forward to speaking to you soon. Take care.